Hey everyone, today we got the US dollar DXY chart on the weekly. This is probably one of my most important videos of the year. It's going to tell us short term to long term into next year what the dollar could do. And of course, what the stock market and crypto and commodities could do based on this chart. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to turn on my lines again. You're going to see the dollar is in a clear wedge pattern, respecting the bottom of the wedge here from 2021. Okay, so that's 3 years. Respecting the top one, multiple touches on top from October. So that's about a year and a half. Okay, so we're coming to a point now where the dollar is going to have to make a decision. Just like my other videos, we're getting to the end here, and in about March, let's say March to April, it's either going to break upwards or downwards, okay? And why is a break up in the dollar have any effect on anything else? Is because it's generally inversely correlated to stocks, crypto, metals, and other commodities. So when the dollar breaks up and gets stronger, everything else gets weaker, okay? And if we break this wedge down, it might hit the 200 here. This is the 200 moving average, and it might bounce off this or whatever. But if we break down, that usually means stocks, crypto, metals, and other things go up in value because the dollar's coming down. On a side note, what I notice here for now is that this candle here, this last week, put in a topping tail. This is a reversal type pattern when you're at the top of something. Notice the last one here, it was also a topping tail, and look, a few weeks later, it just crashed. It couldn't get any higher, right? Let's look at another one. This is another one with a topping tail. A few weeks later, the dollar came crashing down. It couldn't get above this topping tail. Same here. And we shall see if this will break up above it. If we break up above it, that means this topping tail doesn't matter, and the market and the dollar could keep going up, right? But if not, this could be a near term top to the dollar and we might break down. We'll see. Okay, so let's recap real quick. The dollar's in a wedge pattern and it's got to make a decision pretty soon. March to April, okay? In the near term into next year, that means a lot for the other markets, okay? If the dollar gets very weak and falls, we might see a rally in everything. And if the dollar gets strong and breaks upwards, we might see a dump in everything. Okay, not financial advice. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.